Laziness, the fundamental cause of poverty. In any country, in any region, laziness is undeniably the root cause of poverty. I once expounded this truth in the book The Grand Tree of Thought Patterns Theory. Human beings are inherently lazy, a seemingly innate instinct for indolence. However, the laziness of the body and the laziness of the mind are vastly different. Our thinking must not succumb to laziness. If we don't learn and ponder over issues, we are destined for poverty. Every individual has an inherent inclination to avoid hardship, but this is the body speaking. Physical laziness is understandable, but once our thoughts become lazy, we find ourselves sinking into the quagmire of poverty. Learning and thinking are the most potent weapons against laziness. Not for the sake of outshining others, but to prevent laziness from becoming the master of our destiny. In this fiercely competitive world, ignorance is no longer a viable option. The cost of mental laziness is far higher than we can imagine. Reject laziness, embrace learning, and ponder over problems. This is the only path to wealth and success.